Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the most effective beauty solutions for your skin. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to rejuvenate and hydrate, especially for those with dry skin. It's the Vital C Hydrating Brightening Power Duo from Image Skincare, a two-step system designed to address both hydration and aging concerns. It includes a hydrating anti-aging serum and repair creme, formulated to smooth fine lines and bring back that healthy glow. This product duo is targeted at individuals who want to combat dry skin while also addressing the signs of aging. With its paraben-free formula, it's designed to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin look plump, radiant, and refreshed. The promise? To hydrate, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin with regular use. But does it live up to the claims? Let's get into the details. The Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum is packed with potent ingredients like vitamin C and antioxidants. These help in brightening the complexion and improving skin texture. The formula aims to protect the skin from environmental stressors while promoting collagen production for anti-aging benefits. On the other hand, the Repair Creme provides deep hydration with nourishing agents like hyaluronic acid, helping to lock in moisture and boost skin's elasticity. The real-world testing was interesting. I used this duo in both my morning and evening routines for about 2 weeks. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which I really appreciate in a product for dry skin. It left my skin feeling hydrated but not heavy, and the natural glow it imparts is noticeable right away. The Repair Creme has a rich texture but didn't feel too thick. It sinks into the skin well without leaving any sticky residue. I found that my skin felt smoother and visibly plumper by the second week. When it comes to strengths, I really like how the serum instantly brightens the skin. It's like a boost of radiance that helps reduce dullness, especially in the morning. The Repair Creme works wonderfully at night to lock in all the hydration, and by morning, my skin feels soft, moisturized, and balanced. However, I did notice that it might be a bit too rich for those with oily skin, so I'd recommend it more for dry or combination skin types. The biggest pro? The duo's ability to smooth out fine lines while deeply hydrating the skin. I can definitely see a more even skin tone and improved texture. On the flip side, the price is on the higher end for a two-step system. While I feel the ingredients justify the cost, especially given the high-quality vitamin C and hydrating agents, it might not be the most budget-friendly option. Comparing it to other anti-aging serums and creams in the market, this one stands out for its ability to hydrate and brighten simultaneously. There are other products that focus on one or the other, but this duo offers a comprehensive solution. If you're looking for something that's specifically formulated for dry skin with anti-aging properties, this could be a great pick. The packaging is sleek and hygienic, which is always a bonus, and I'm happy to report that both the serum and creme lasted quite a while, even with daily use. Would I say this product is worth the price? Yes, if you have dry skin and are looking to treat both hydration and anti-aging at the same time. The ingredients, performance, and noticeable results do justify the investment, especially for those who prioritize high-quality skincare. If you're looking for an alternative at a lower price point, you might want to check out other vitamin C-based serums that also hydrate, though they may not offer the same level of anti-aging benefits. There are options out there, but this one definitely combines both hydration and anti-aging in a way that few others do. To sum up, the Vital C Hydrating Brightening Power Duo from Image Skincare does exactly what it promises: hydrates, brightens, and fights signs of aging. If you're someone with dry skin looking for a high-performing skincare duo, this one might be the solution. It offers great results, especially for those who want to target fine lines and bring back some luminosity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.